This quick video is about how to turn on private browsing mode on Safari app. Okay, let's quickly open Safari. Then touch here. Now we will see this option Start Page. Touch that. Yeah. In default, Start Page was selected, and to enter Incognito mode, just select Private. Done. Now you successfully entered Incognito mode and Safari browser. And here you can search whatever you would like. No history will be recorded. Okay, to exit private browsing, just touch here, Private, then select Start Page. Done. That's it. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.